Welcome to Moments with Marianne. This is your host, Marianne Pastana. And we're here today with special guests, Marti Skold-Jordan and Charles Moon from Tractor Supply, who are here to share with us some unexpected and unforgettable gifts that will have your family talking and thanking you. So when most people shop for the holidays, they seem to think about the same generic stores or online sites that offer the same uninspiring gifts. Well, isn't it time to shake things up? Joining us today for some holiday gift thoughts are Marti Skold-Jordan and Charles Moon of Tractor Supply. So welcome to the show.
Oh, hello.
Hi,
Nice
thank
to
you.
talk to you today. Busy day.
Busy day, and gosh, I'm so excited that we're talking about everything that you guys have at Tractor Supply. It's one of actually my favorite places to go. So Charles, why don't we start with you? Dads are so hard to shop for. So what are some hot dad items this year?
Yeah, absolutely. We can sometimes definitely be a pain. So we've got some different options for our customers this year, one of which is our Blackstone 36-inch griddle. It's always a go-to that everybody enjoys along with all those accessories. And then we've got the DeWalt power tool combo kits for whatever those needs and projects around the house may be. But one we've seen really trending today and then this year is going to be those Carhartt hoodies. They're super comfortable, very warm, helps you get layered up for whenever that cold weather arrives.
Well, it's been getting chilly out there, and I know a lot of dads would love that. Any of those suggestions are amazing. Well, Marti, of course we won't forget the ladies on the list. So what type of trends are you seeing for women?
Oh, Western wear is the hottest trend right now when it comes to clothing, all the way from the boots on your feet to the hat on your head. So we've got some really darling Ariat boots. They're the Delilah boot. Really pretty stitching on them. One comes in a pair with some white, almost kind of a cream with some red stitching on it. Another one, almost a burgundy red on the top, and that has some black stitching on it. These are beautiful as well as comfortable and very versatile. You can put them with a pair of jeans or a dress. I always love a hat when I go to a special event. Like I went to a special event for a land trust out on a farm, and I had the hat on, a denim skirt, and boots, and it was just the perfect outfit, but it was also very, very comfortable out there. So the Justin hats, be it the black hat or the brown hat, are really a nice accessory for mom. And I think that any lady in your life would really, really love that. And I today have a denim shirt on. It's by Wrangler, Lainey Wilson inspired, with some vintage hardware on it. It's a nice weight of a shirt, and you can wear it year round.
Well, Tractor Supply has some stunning outfits for every woman in your life. And let's not forget these boots. I mean, to have boots that are both stylish, comfortable, they're perfect for every occasion. So we want to make sure to get something for everybody on the list. And of course, we want to look at kids' gifts. Charles, what are some top hot gifts that we should be looking at?
Yeah, absolutely. This is actually my favorite part of the whole thing because I've got two kids of my own, and this allows us to really connect and play because we've got some great classic and vintage toys that I played with and now they'll play with, like our spirographs and our cat dump trucks. No telling how many hours we push those around the floor. And then this year also trending away has been our 12-volt kids zero-turn mower, so that way they can be out there with us even during those long times where we're doing some yard work, and they can help out as well.
Well, what great gifts those are to get kids outside and engaged. Now, Marti, after we're done shopping for everybody else, we of course want to splurge a little bit on ourselves. So what kind of gifts do you recommend at Tractor Supply just for us?
Just for us, well, I can tell you that one of my favorite places to go is straight into the garden center. So if you love poinsettias, we've got some beautiful ones, but I love having flowers year round. So we've got all kinds of seeds, we've got plants, we've got the tools and pretty garden gloves in there. So that would be a really nice kind of garden extravaganza for any of us. Another thing is right in the middle of the store, we've got holiday decor. And I can tell you there's everything from chickens to dogs to sheep, really darling Christmas ornaments. So anything you have, we sell trees, of course. And so you can get everything that you want from your holiday wish list to the holiday wish list for your furry friend.
So Charles, what type of holiday gifts and surprises can we expect to see at Tractor Supply for stocking stuffers?
We've got a ton of different options around those little knickknacks and pickups. Some of those are like, Squatch soap and Duke cannons, but we've also got some of those for your pet friends or maybe your new additions like your rescue that maybe you've gotten this year. We've seen a lot of people doing that. And those options are going to be like the 12 Days of Dog Toys Advent Calendar. That's a neat addition that we've put in this year that kind of helps us out, helps the dog out, really brings them into the family. It's been great.
Oh, and there's so many cute little toys that you can put in for the kids. Of course, the dog toys for your dogs or your cats, some of that spray catnip.
Right.
And I can tell you, too, one of the coolest things that I love is you remember years ago you had that stereo when you went off to college. We've got a vinyl collection, and we've got Chris Stapleton, a lot of others.
Right.
And I think people really like those as stocking stuffers as well.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh, that stuff sounds great. Well, I don't know about everybody else. I'm sure people are in their cars right now driving to Tractor Supply. I know I'm going to go. Where can our listeners go and learn more about all the great deals at Tractor Supply?
Well, there's multiple ways to shop. The first one, online. You can see everything that we've talked about today, but also many more ideas. So tractorsupply.com/holiday wish list. And that is a perfect place to go. Of course, come in store. You get all the ideas. You can see them. You can fill up that whole holiday list and buy it all at one time. Because I always say we have 5, 6, 7 stores in one. So you can get everything for everybody on your list. And then, of course, one of my favorite things to do, you get so busy during the holiday season. So buy online, pick up in store. And so you can, when you're out running your errands, come on in and then at the same time get your dog food and everything else you need.
Absolutely, and our teams are ready to serve, in any which way that fits your shopping patterns.
Yes.
I just love that. That way we can be guaranteed to get the items we know will be a huge hit for the holidays. Well, Marty and Charles, thank you both so much for taking the time to be on the show with us here today.
Thank you. Happy holidays.
Well, happy holidays to you. Make sure to visit Tractor Supply and get that perfect gift for everyone on your list. Well, we're at the end of our time today. I'd like to thank everyone for tuning in. You've been listening to Moments with Marianne, where we make every moment count.
In a single moment, your life can change. Moments with Marianne is a transformative hour that covers an endless array of topics with the best of the best. Her guests are leaders in their fields, ranging from inspirational authors, top industry leaders, and business and spiritual entrepreneurs. Each guest is gifted and a true visionary, a recognized leader in her own work, and while teaching others to develop, refocus, and grow, Marianne will bring the best guest and sometimes a special surprise. Don't miss this. You never know just which moment will change your life forever. Make sure to tune in and visit momentswithmarianne.com for more information.